Well, hello, it's Bears back. This is for our lockpicking patrolman's B82 challenge. Man, I'm really sorry to hear about your friend. This is a bypass challenge. I haven't done this in a long time, so I'm going to see if I can still remember how this is done. The way I remember it is you took one of these and you stuck it down in there a ways, and then you pushed in on this and pushed. Uh-oh, I don't think I got it right. Let's try that again. I didn't get it in the right spot. Well, it goes in all the way it's gonna go in. Haven't had that happen in a long time. I used to go right in there and just do it. Oh. Well, at least he didn't say it had to be faster than a bunny. There it is. Okay, had to put it in the right spot. I had it way too low. All right, well, that's the bypass. Now I don't want to do it again. Well, anyway, I got it done once. All right, so like I said, this is for the challenge, and I'm really sorry to hear about your buddy. So everybody stay safe and stay legal, and have fun.